Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, videos with no artifacts whatsoever, and we are looking at how to pronounce with a typical French pronunciation as well as how it is said in English. This French phrase, meaning literally in French, presented naturally or in a natural state. It designates things that are done or presented with no elaborate treatment, dressing or preparation. With a humorous tone, it can even mean sometimes naked in English. How do you go about pronouncing it? In French in France, we would normally say this as au naturel, au naturel. In English, it is usually said as au naturel, au naturel, au naturel, from French au naturel. Here are more videos presented au naturel. Presenting au naturel, how to pronounce many useful words and phrases from French that you may want to hear and nail the pronunciation of. I'll see you there, not naked, to learn more.